Tired of awkward silences and choppy sentences in your conversation? Give me 3 minutes and I'll give you 5 powerful words to sound more fluent. What am I talking about? I'm talking about a glue that holds your sentences together, which is called linking words. Linking words connect different ideas together, whether words, sentences, clauses, or even paragraphs. The purpose is to make your conversation and writing flow smoothly. To see why linking words matter, let's look at writing without them. She was running late. She stopped for coffee. These sentences are grammatically correct, but they feel jarring and contradictory. If she was late, why would she stop for coffee? This shift from one idea to the next is too abrupt. Now let's connect them with a linking verb. She was running late, however, she stopped for a coffee. See the difference? A linking word is essential for connecting these contrasting ideas smoothly and making the relationship clear. Now, let's explore 5 key functions of linking words. Add in information. I work hard and I'm ambitious. I work hard. Moreover, I'm ambitious. Showing effect. It rained, so we canceled our plans. It rained, consequently, we canceled our plans. Summarizing. Overall, we need change. All in all, we need change. Give an example. He plays a sport, for example, soccer. He plays a sport, for instance, soccer. Offering contrast. She was running late, but she stopped for a coffee. She was running late, however, she stopped for a coffee. This video was just an introduction to linking words, but guess what? There is a link in the description below where you can download a complete list of linking words. Grab that resource and you'll have a powerful toolbox to make your conversation and writing smoother. Remember, practice is key. Try using one of these linking words in your next comment below. Let's see those smoother sentences